Can Tesla Optimus humanoid robot serve as a full-time 24-hour nurse? In recent years, rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics have raised the possibility of humanoid robots such as Tesla's Optimus serving as full-time healthcare assistants. While the idea of a robot functioning as a 24-hour nurse may seem appealing, there are both significant advantages and serious limitations to consider. On the one hand, a humanoid robot could indeed provide valuable support in hospitals and nursing homes. Unlike human nurses, robots do not require rest, meals, or wages, allowing them to work continuously around the clock. They could handle repetitive and physically demanding tasks such as lifting patients, monitoring vital signs, or delivering medications. Furthermore, robots may reduce human error in routine procedures, ensuring consistent care. In this sense, Optimus could ease the workload of healthcare staff, particularly in understaffed medical systems. On the other hand, there are considerable challenges that limit the role of humanoid robots as full-time nurses. Firstly, nursing requires emotional intelligence, empathy, and the ability to comfort patients, qualities that robots are unable to replicate. For instance, elderly patients often need reassurance and companionship, which a machine cannot genuinely provide. Secondly, complex medical situations often demand quick judgment and ethical decision-making, areas where current AI still struggles. Moreover, technical failures or hacking risks could endanger patient safety if robots are relied upon too heavily. In conclusion, while Tesla's Optimus and similar humanoid robots may become important tools in healthcare by supporting human staff, it is unlikely that they can fully replace nurses as 24-hour caregivers. The future of medicine is more likely to involve collaboration between humans and machines, where robots perform practical tasks while human nurses provide emotional and ethical care.